Hey everyone, this is Stevie here, and today I'm going to be making a practical print again for you guys. And this one I want to make is like a toothbrush holder because my toothbrush just sits on our sink and sometimes it gets knocked over and nobody wants that. So here I am taking some measurements of it, and so we're going to be measuring the base of the toothbrush, and we'll see that that is 24.4 millimeters. And then the top part of the toothbrush at its thickest essentially is about 31.5 millimeters, it looks like. And I didn't do this on camera, but the height of that toothbrush from those 2 points that I measured is about 145 millimeters. So just keep that in mind. And this is where I want to put it. So I want to make like a holder inside here, and I know that that's about 61.9 millimeters. And this thickness of it is about 8.8, but I messed up the measurement there by moving it, so we'll just say it's 9. And then this width here from edge to edge is about 8. So let's get to modeling. First we're going to create a sketch right here, and we are going to draw our circle with a diameter of 24.4 millimeters. Then we're going to finish this sketch, and we're going to construct an offset plane from here that's 145 millimeters away. And then we're going to sketch on that surface as well. You want to make sure that these two are concentric, so we're going to make sure we select that point there, and then we're going to make this be 31.5 millimeters. We're going to finish this sketch, and now we're going to loft. So we're going to go here and select loft. We'll select this point, and then we'll press OK. So now what we're going to do is actually draw a sketch perpendicular to the one that we have here, or so like either way you could draw it here or you could draw it here, but as long as it intersects the middle of this guy. Since it's symmetric, it should either way. So we're just going to choose this one, and then we're going to select slice. Now we're going to go to the create tab here, and we're going to click on project/include and choose intersect. We'll click this geometry right here, press OK, and now it actually allows us to draw from it. So you'll see we snap to it now, which is really nice, and we even get the midpoint. So we're going to start about, well, let's draw a construction line from the middle of this to the middle of the bottom piece. That doesn't look like the middle, does it? Maybe it is. It looks like it's slanted, but maybe I'm just seeing things. Yeah, that's weird. Doesn't that look slanted to you? Either way, it is vertical though. That's that constraint right there. So what we're gonna do is draw another construction line, and we know that the overall diameter of like the circular part, right? That internal diameter can only be what's the measurement? 61 millimeters about. So let's make this 61. Oh goodness, there it goes. And I'm going to, first I'm going to make this vertical or horizontal. Because, I don't know what that constraint was, but it was I'm just deleted that, and then I'm going to make it horizontal. Now I'm going to take, I'm going to make this midpoint. Click here, well, click there now, and then click there. So now it's directly in the middle of this guy, and it will allow us to draw right out to the edge, and we'll know exactly when to stop. So next thing we're going to do is draw some lines. We're going to start right there and go down a bit, let's say 20 millimeters, and then we're going to go out. So we know that this is where we have to stop for the inside piece. Oh, and I guess I drew a construction line there. So I'm going to turn that off, and then we're going to do that again. So this is the max that we can draw here, but we're going to go even further. We're going to go, let's say we know that the outside edge is 8, so let's go 4 just to be safe. So we'll go 4 further than whatever this max is. So that is 16.5, so that means let's just do 20. We'll make it nice and easy. So we'll type out 20, press enter, and then we're just going to keep drawing. We're going to go down by 2 millimeters, and then we're going to go into this point right here, and then we're going to go down by, let's say, 10 millimeters. Oh, let's do 5. 105, nope, 5. Perfect. Okay. And we're going to go in by 2, and then up to this point again, and then back in here, down, and then connect there. So we're going to make this perpendicular to here and to this one, and this guy perpendicular to this guy. Or I guess I can't because I made that perpendicular to that, so that's alright. My bad. So what I do want to do though is change the dimension here to 2 millimeters, and I want to make sure that this dimension right here is also 2 millimeters. So we'll select 2. There we go, everything's 2 basically. And now we're going to finish our sketch, and the cool part about having this dotted line already is that gives us an axis of rotation. So we can choose revolve, and we will select our axis, and it already selected our part, and there we go, it is revolved. So we're just going to press OK, and now, oh wait, we're going to redo that revolve because I'm pretty sure, yeah, I chose join. You want to do new body, and the reason being is if I didn't choose that, these would be one and the same, so I wouldn't be able to just export this guy. So now all you have to do is right click on it, save as an STL, and then you're just going to save it and print it on your Mantis 3D printer. See, I had this before, and I just wanted to show you guys how I did it because I thought it was really cool. And now I'm going to go print it, and then I'm going to install it. It's not really like a tough installation, it just sits there, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. Took about an hour and a half to print, which isn't bad at all. So thank you guys for watching.